Hello, just a quick one. This will be a commentary and analysis telling you what I expect going to the end of this week. So you will be seeing for real how the future in price can be predicted. This is what is done over and over in this channel. Okay, you'll be so surprised. We do it on a macro scale, even on a weekly basis. So just sit still, and if this is your first time, you might want to subscribe because I do this consistently, and you want to see notifications and get results. So just pay attention in a second now. And price, so now what am I expecting going to next week? To me, I think we should continue going higher than Nasdaq. And the draw liquidity, this candle's high. Okay? Wow, that's 21,081. Price I want to draw to that level. That level there. This candle's high. Yeah. Okay? About that level here. 21,081. So price I want to draw to that level. And possibly, if there's so much exaggeration, we might come in here at 21,340 big figure 0.75. So welcome back. I believe you heard that, you saw it. 21,000 what? And 81. And what happened? 21,081 delivered on Monday. Okay, I told you why it will happen. This sell side, those who have been following me, I call this sell side long, like since when price has been here. I told you I want this sell side here. Even this inoffensive, when price was still low here, I told you this would be the drawn liquidity. Now before price went up, I told you this sell side should be taken out. And look at it now, with price to what? 21,081. Now, where's the next draw on liquidity? I want to see it. And if you like that, you can give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe for more of this. Now, the best time in us, the best case is this high at 21,340.75. This high over here. That's the next draw on liquidity I'm watching in price. Okay, so that's where price will want to reach to. Once price reaching there, you want to do what? You want to begin to apply what I call risk management in trailing your stops and taking partial profit. So, and I told you reasons why I'll be going there. Look at this new week opening gap. You can see that. Look very closely. 25th November new week opening gap, high and low. Price worked off that level and rallied. Okay, so that's it. Quickly, I'll be telling you what will be happening on the forex pairs. I'll be starting with the British pound. So going to the daily time frame. Before this week open, I told you what should happen. I won't be doing that. Check that video. It will be in the description. The link will be there. It's there. I'm really serious. It's there. So I told you that this BC. Okay, let me take this out first. Out and this. I told you that this BC should do what? It's an order flow determinant. Look inside. This was done in the I'm just repeating it. Look, order flow determinant, daily PC. Its performance is very pivotal, very important for price delivery going into December. I explain what this means. What this means is that the way price reacts here now, if price comes in here and trades and fail, it means it's a failure and it's a sign of heaviness and we might continue lower. Okay, but if price comes in here and respects it like the way it did on Monday, because on Sunday, before market open, this was how price was. Just this way. Nothing else done like this. Just this way. I told you that price should come in here. Check the video, really. It's in there. I say price should come in there and do what? And rally. Right? And I told you I want to favor buy side because what? We've displaced higher. And look left here. What's here? This is a CB. You might not see it, but it's a CB. And what do I tell you about the CB? Listen real quick. This is CB. I just made it visible now. This CB. I told you something in there about the CB. Look in there. I say it was initially premium, but now it's no more premium. Instead, it has become discount. Okay, it has become discount. So this is a discount CB, and this is what I said about it. Does it get overlapped to the downside, or does it act as a bullish inversion fair value gap supporting higher prices? And what happened? It didn't fail. It supported price. So this is acting as your normal support and resistance. Okay, you can use that idea to understand it. This is inefficiency. It's not really support and resistance, but you can use it in that context for better understanding. So it's supporting price, which is showing what is showing strength. Now, what are you looking for going into the end of this week? This is it. I'll be very quick. The buy side drawn liquidity is this high here. That's the weekly buy side drawn liquidity on the weekly basis. That's it, this high. And now watch closely. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. Look at this candle. I showed you how to draw a tail consequential encroachment. you can check my other videos. It's in the analysis. I think I did one, if I'm not making a mistake. You can check it. And if you want to, you want me to do a video on how to draw consequence encroachment, that is the midpoint of tails and inefficiencies, I can make a quick video for that. Feel free to comment your thoughts. Also subscribe and give a thumbs up. Here is the tail, okay, from this close to the low. The midpoint is this level here. This is it. The midpoint is this level at 1.26361. That's the midpoint of this candle still. What do I want, or what do I expect from that? This is it. Monday's tail consequence encroachment. Bodies should not close below here on a higher time frame basis. HTF is higher time frame. Could be used as an entry mechanism if other factors are in sync. What do I mean by higher time frame? The 4-hour and the daily time frame. Not the 60 minutes, the 4-hour. Here on the European dollar, this was exactly how price was. Friday, this is Friday's trading. So we haven't seen Monday, Tuesday when I did the video, and I told you, look at this inefficiency here. It's very little, but it's very important. Look at it. I told you it's a sweet spot. Look at what I said about it. Let's check it real quick. Daily CB is a sweet spot for discount retracement, and now it should not now as I made a typographical error. But what I just simply means is it should now act as an inversion fair value gap. Okay, so that's what I mean. Let me see if I can correct it real quick. Now act as an, yes, so it should now act as an inversion fair value gap. What do an inversion fair value gap means? This is a bullish. Plus means bullish, so it means it should support price now instead of resisting price. Okay, yes. So, and we can see it. We went into Monday's trading. Tuesday is just showing a Tuesday on a daily basis, but in New York the time is yet to be what? It's yet to be Tuesday. Okay, I'll show you what that means in a moment. So this is Monday. We trade lower, but notice how we rejected. We rejected strongly. Okay, and look left. This was Thursday's low. Sell side liquidity was here at 1.047 44. Let me make it just red so you can notice it. You can see that low. So we trade beyond that on Monday. That's sell side taken out right there. Look at the level. Yes, sell side liquidity. That was Thursday's low, and it was taken out by price. What am I expecting going into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday? Now, the same perspective. Look at the consequence increment of this candle still. What do I mean? The midpoint. Look at the Fibonacci. You draw the Fibonacci from the low of the candle to the closing price for a down close candle. The midpoint here is 1.4792. That's the midpoint. This is the tail consequence encroachment. The same narrative for the British pound is that body should not close here on a higher time frame basis, which is on a 4-hour and daily time frame, and what it can be used as a mechanism of entry mechanism if other factors, especially time, is in sync, and your model, once you see it, you can use it as an entry mechanism. So that level. So if price trade in here in the London AM session and it's rejecting, then you might want to enter. Now, what's the draw on liquidity? Watch closely. Look at this high. Yeah, 1.059. 3. That's the draw on liquidity. That's where price, you should target that level. Look left. There's an inefficiency here. There's a CB here. That's a CB here. So price might want to draw in there. Okay. Price might want to draw in there. So it's a series about premium. And also look very closely here on this high. And make it also 2 pixel. You can see that level here. 1.06099. That's a relative equal high. It's very relative, so it's daily relative equal high, and buy side liquidity is there. Why is it relative? It's close to this high, like they are very close. Look at it, price will want to come there. Compare, like look at this low now, it's just far away, but this is very close, almost the same level. So price will want to join there. That's your buy side. And for overzealous price delivery, this inefficiency here, let me extend it to the right. Let me make this at 300. So that inefficiency, it's an extra liquidity, okay? And that inefficiency, I spoke in details about it in my analysis. So that's the CB here. So price may want to join in there today. That's just it, and that's what you're expecting. Now on the 4-hour time frame, I'm ready to go a little bit. There's a little bit of high resistance liquidity run here on the British pound, but on the European dollar rather. So see the consequence encroachment right there, okay? Let me delete this Fibonacci. Wait, okay, let me explain something. You can see the upper 25% of the Fibonacci, like this is the low to the high on the time frame. Bodies are closing a little bit above the upper quadrant. That's showing you sign. This is an indicative sign of strength. For those who have been here, you understand what it means. For those who have understanding in price, you will. But if you don't understand, no problem. Don't feel bad. Eventually, you get it too. So I'll be taking it out from visibility on the 4-hour time frame, so there could be clarity, and I can explain in a little bit more detail. And look closely. What do you see? This low has been taken out by this low, has been taken out by this low, 3 lows. So multiple sell side delivery. So if it even takes this low further, it's telling you that okay, now I'm taking out sell side because I want to do what? I want to go up. Price only go down to go up, and price only go up to go down. So now it's going down to what? To go up. So this is the thing you focus here. Price might color outside it on a week, like the wicks, the tail of the candle might come, but the body, you want to see the body close above 1.04792, and you want to see price expand to this level. Use whatever entry mechanism that suits you, and everything. So in the video I told you that Tuesday hasn't opened New York because I use the New York time. I told you how to set your time on New York. Look at it. You can watch my video how to know the exact time to trade the silver bullet. I'll drop the link in the description. That's how you know how to set the time. So now watch very closely. What is the time here? Look like down here. What do you see? You can see here is what? Monday. What? 11 p.m. Okay, so we are yet to what? To be in Tuesdays on New York. But we have a daily time frame for Tuesday already, because the trading view does not run on New York. It actually runs in, I think, about London time. But this is the New York time. This is where the algorithm runs, regardless of what time trading view runs. So that's what I'm expecting going into the end of the week. And on the note of this, I'll be bringing this video to a close to ease the so it will not be too lengthy. So hopefully you find this impactful, and something you want to look for as a confirmation is this. You want to see this inefficiency. Look at this CB here. You want to see it get overlapped, like it should act as a support. So this now, normally it should be a resistance, okay? Look here, like this way. So let me just take this out so you can see this inefficiency. Normally it should act as a what? As a resistance to resist what? Higher prices. But now you want to see something like this. This is what you want to see. You want to see price, whatever, if it opens and trade low to this tail and goes up. Look here. This is what? New week opening gap. Can you see here? You can see something here. I might show that better later, just in a minute. And it should use this as a support and want to what? Go up higher. So once it overlaps this inefficiency, now this inefficiency becomes a support. It can come down into it. How deep can it come down? Look in here. What is this? 1, 2, 3. Down close candle. That's an order block. Mean threshold of these 3 down close candle consecutively. So once it enters into here, there should be a CB or BC rather, whatever, or other block. Then you might want to go long. If it goes in sync, that if you miss this entry, you can get a second entry here. If you miss this entry here on this new week opening gap, you can still get something, and you want to see it expand to what? The levels I told you on the daily time frame, which is those buy side liquidity there. This is what you want to see in price, and going into probably it might even want to go into this inefficiency. So this is not a pattern. This is just me explaining what I expect in price. So don't say, oh well, this is a pattern, so let me just use this pattern and be profit. No. This doesn't mean anything. I'm just explaining something in price. So that's the trade. And okay, I told you I'll show you what this new week opening gap is. Look closely. Let me make it a little bit bolder. This is a line here. Do you see? Right there. Let me make the text very bold so you can just see it. And what the new week opening gap is the difference between Friday's closing and Sunday's opening in price. So that's the level there. Can you see New York opening gap low? The other one there is high, so I just made one visible. So this price, it should act as support. That's it. It traditionally act as support and resistance. So if you are in similar, you are bullish, you want it to act as a support to do what? To help what? To help send price higher. So hopefully you find this video impactful. That's all I'll be doing for now. And kindly subscribe if you haven't, and key the likes and the thumbs up to encourage me. Feel free to comment your thoughts and your question. So have a great trading week ahead. Bye.